I remember the exact moment my life fell apart. It wasn't a dramatic crash or a sudden disaster. It was a Tuesday evening, staring at a stack of bills I couldn't pay, realizing I had $0 in my account and 2 weeks until my next paycheck. I was working hard. I was doing everything right. I had the job, I put in the hours, I didn't buy luxury cars or expensive watches. Yet, I was drowning. Maybe you know that feeling, the feeling of running on a treadmill that never stops. We are taught a lie about money from a very young age. We are told the formula is simple: earn money, pay your bills, and then save whatever is left over. Sounds logical, right? But here is the brutal truth. There is never anything left over. If you wait until the end of the month to save, you will always find a reason to spend that money. A flat tire, a night out, a new gadget. I spent years operating on this broken equation. Income minus expenses equals savings. It kept me broke, it kept me anxious, it kept me awake at 3 a.m. wondering if I'd lose my apartment. Then I read a concept that stopped me dead in my tracks. It was so simple it felt stupid, but it was the one lesson that saved my life. It flipped the equation entirely. The lesson is this: pay yourself first. Not last, not if there's money left, first. Before the landlord, before the electric company, before the grocery store. When you get paid, the very first transaction shouldn't be to Visa or MasterCard. It should be to you, to your future. It's a tax you place on yourself that buys your freedom. When I first heard this, I thought, I can't afford to save first. I barely have enough to pay my bills. But that's exactly why I was broke. I was prioritizing everyone else's money over my own. So I tried a radical experiment. I set up an automatic transfer for the day after payday, just 10% of my check. It went straight into a savings account I couldn't easily touch. The first month was hard. I had to scramble. I had to say no to dinner with friends. I had to cook at home. I felt the pinch. But do you know what happened? I survived. Parkinson's law states that work expands to fill the time available. Well, spending expands to fill the money available. When I took the money away first, I learned to live on less. Month after month, that account grew. It wasn't just money anymore. It was a safety net. It was peace of mind. For the first time in my life, a surprise bill didn't cause a panic attack. This isn't just about saving pennies. It's about psychology. By paying yourself first, you are telling yourself that you are the most important bill you have. You are prioritizing your future self over your present desires. You can start small, even 1% or $50. The amount matters less than the habit. The moment the money hits your account, move it. Make it invisible. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. This one habit broke the cycle of poverty for me. It built my emergency fund. It started my investment portfolio. It literally saved my life from the stress that was killing me. So here is my challenge to you. Look at your bank account right now. Set up an automatic transfer for your next payday. Even if it's just $20, do it today. Your future self is begging you. Don't wait until the end of the month. Don't wait until you have enough. Pay yourself first. Because if you don't prioritize your own financial freedom, no one else will. If this video helped you, hit that like button so it can help someone else too. And subscribe to Finspire for more lessons on mastering your money. I'll see you in the next one.